Hi guys!
What are we drawing today?
We're drawing a cat!
A really cute cat. Hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to share what yours looks like with us. Thanks for watching.
Right guys, so we're going to do the left eye first.
Yep, so we're going to start with the left eye. So we're going to start on the left side of the page. And we're going to draw a nice circle. Just like this, going nice and round, all the way round. Just like that. And then we want to draw a white spot there. And then another one there, and then those two will be white, and then we're going to colour in the rest of it later. We're going to do the right eye as well, but this one's going to be winking, so we're going to draw a line going in and then a line going down, just like that, so he's winking. Next we're going to do a little nose, so we're going to do like a button nose just down here between his eyes or her eyes, in the middle, just like that, nice and round and cute, just like that. You can colour that in. There you go. I'm going to do mine's kind of like a little oval. And then we're going to do a lovely cute little cat mouth. So it's going to start
a little sign to make it cuter.
Lovely. So it's going to start at the edge of the eye just there, and it's going to curl around to the middle, up into the nose, and then it's going to curl around again, and then same on the other side. And now we're going to do a nice wide open mouth, like they're meowing, just like that. Oh, nice, well done. Love yours. And now, I think I'm going to start with the curve at the top of the head, maybe where it meets the ear. So up here, I'm going to do an ear. So it's going to go up, just like that. Then it's going to come down, just like that. And then we're going to do the curve at the top of the head. And then we're going to do the same on the other side for the other ear. It's going to curl around, just like that. And now, I'm going to draw it going down, and I'm going to give a little bit of a gap where I get to the cheeks, and then I'm going to draw some whiskers. 1, 2, and 3. Don't matter how long they are, they can be longer or they can be shorter, just like that. And I'm going to keep it coming all the way around. And I think I'm going to leave a little gap here because I want to draw a little paw at the bottom, just here, just like that, curling round. And then I might draw another one, so leave a little bit of a gap, and then I'll draw another paw just like that, so it curls at the bottom for the little paws. There you go. And now we're going to keep going all the way around to join up the ear, and then we've got to do the last 3 whiskers on this side. 1, 2, 3. There you go, that looks very cute, isn't it?
Don't forget the inside.
Yeah, you're right. Now I've got to draw the lines for the inside, just like
I'm going to do some cute cheeks.
that. And do a thinner one connecting it there as well.
Mine looks so cute.
It looks adorable. Right, and now we are ready to colour it in. High five. Ready to colour in.
Right guys, so these are how they turned out. Comment down below what you want to see next. Bye!